Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Presented to Honorable Sir Amjad Ali. I am ASMA Baloch. Define educational psychology and its nature. First, I will introduce education. The word education is derived from Latin word educare, which means to bring up or to lead out, or process of teaching and learning is called education. Then psychology. Psyche means soul, logy mean study. It means study of soul and mind. Then educational psychology. Educational psychology is that branch of the psychology which deals with teaching and learning by Skinner. Educational psychology describes and explains the learning experiences of an individual from birth through old age by Kiro and Kiro. Educational psychology is a science by Peel. Then nature of educational psychology. Emphasize the search of the truth. It implies scientific methods, mostly concerned with the what and why of happenings in the present. Does not accept hearsay and does not take anything for granted. Thanks to all.